All right, we should be live now. So we got a gap right here. All right. All right, all right, all right, all right. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and send to the Discord that we're live. All right, we're chilling. We're chilling. We're live. Sent it to the Discord. All right, we're good. Bro. All right. What is wrong with this? All right, we're chilling. Go ahead and replace this battery on the camera. All right, we're chilling. Camera's ready. All right. All right. So we got this 15-minute here. Do we got people some in here? What's up, Snoop? We got 6 people in here already. Holy crap. All right. All right, what's up, Snoop? If you are in here, please go ahead and like the video. It does help out a lot. I'm going to post on the Instagram real quick that we're live. What's my bias? Right now, bullish. Delivering out this 15-minute. Let's see if we have any setups. Okay, so there was a 30-second, but this 30-second would have been break even because the entry would have been here. Break even was here. This would have been a break even trade. But Lamb, sorry. Lamb, we're bullish right now, dude. This was a good V shape too, but close was just crazy. Definitely just waiting for market open now. All right. All right. Nothing else happened in the Discord. All right. But yeah, bullish right now. I'm gonna go ahead and fill my water real quick. I'll be right back. Chilling. All right, who we got in here? We got 11 people, guys. Holy crap. So we're already running up. We're at 4 likes. We're one away from 505 now. Damn. All right, guys, we're running this up. Oh, I didn't post on the Instagram yet that we're live. What's up, Trides FR? Bearish or bullish? I'm bullish right now. Is the weekly opening gap? Is that the weekly opening gap you marked? No. Do we have a weekly opening gap? Oh, yeah, this is the weekly opening gap here. But we already filled it in the wick there. At least on the hourly, we filled it. It's not even there in the 15. It's only there in the hourly. Think that 30-second hopping off now. The 30-second was okay. It was too away for the internal manipulation. The 30-second would have been break even, or mechanically anyways. But I don't like that 30-second. I would have liked if it closed like lower, not like half a point from the break even. We got 18 people in here already. Damn, dude. Holy crap. 6 likes. Can we run it? Guys, can we see if we can run up the likes to 10? It'd be crazy if we had 10 likes this early. It normally took us, when we used to stream, it took us a while to 10 likes. Holy crap. Posting on the Instagram that we're live right now. No News Monday. And then I need to copy the link. Share. Copy. Bruh. I didn't copy the link. There we go. All right. We got it up. Posted that we're live on the Instagram. We already at 10 likes. Let's go. W. Running up the viewers off rip. All right. So just typed into this 15-minute gap here. Mm. All right, so probably gonna look for a bias here with this 15 minute. So we have market open in 2 minutes, guys. Sorry, I was a little distracted. Oh, we're gonna be locking in here. All right. So we have a 15-minute gap here that we're gonna get the close on here in a minute. See, Bitcoin's still up here. Damn, dude. Um, we're at 15 viewers right now. We're chilling. We're chilling. We're chilling. All right. Pretty much just gonna wait here for market open. Um, what I'm looking at here, we have some. If I go in like the 1 minute here, we have some like LRLR down here, right there, but like right here. Kind of like that, I guess. Not all the way down here, but like I would say all the way to here. But this is kind of like a bunch of engineered liquidity there. So just gonna see a reaction to this. Damn, dude. Crazy V shape there. Maybe a confirmation setup is what we could get here. So what I would kind of be looking for here would be like maybe we get a pullback to this gap, then a long, or maybe we form a new gap here. Like maybe we form like right now we only have this one. Maybe we form a 5 minute somewhere here, like a 2 minute and get a 30-second long, something like that is what we could look for. Bro, we're definitely gonna run this, dude. This is like some beautiful LRLR here too. This one's way better than the one down there. We had some higher time frame one down here. So yeah, I'm kind of just gonna sit here, waiting for like a pullback. I don't have anything else to be interested in because we're so high. Mm. So yeah, we're definitely gonna have to wait for a pullback here. Can't look for longs here. We're just too Anybody got any questions in chat? What's the black bottom square you have marked out? That's that's an hourly gap here. An imbalance, I guess. I mean, would be marked out this. The fair value gap. I meant to mark out the fair value gap, so it'd be this whole thing. Me mark it. And we're definitely gonna run out of time highs here. Best thing was definitely this 5 minute here. We're running this all time high. And ran all time highs. The 5 minute close before 9:30. Yeah, 5 minutes is the only good one here, but I didn't see the 5 minute. I was trying to set my stuff up for stream. Kinda hope we leave this. Holy crap. Oh, I just coughed. It's all over my monitors, bro. I choked on the water. I have water in my nose. Water on my monitors. Oh my gosh, dude. Alright, we're chilling. Alright. Holy crap. ES hasn't even took out London Highs yet. I forgot to check that. 6. All time highs be on ES. I caught longs from 228 and closed at 308. 228 closed at 308. Nice, dude. The only entry that I liked so far would have probably just been this 5-minute here. Would have been like here. But no, I don't do 8R. I would have just done like 2R or something. I'm not gonna short if we but the SMT could help us come down to get a new long, but I'm not gonna short. I think ES might be going for the all time right now. We're running up to London highs here. Sorry about that. I have a feeling we're not gonna get anything for the rest of the day to be honest, but I'll stay on here on stream, and watch price. I know hoping we get a pullback here or something, bro. But like, I really don't think we are. I think we're just gonna sit here for the rest of the day, if I'm being honest. Okay, it looked like my camera was dead for some reason on the thing. But I really think we're just gonna end up sitting here. Yeah, we're just gonna run this all-time rise. Think of a move is that, dude? Already moved 100 points. Where's market open? $113 bro. Yeah, I don't think we're getting anything for the rest of the day. Bro, there's not gonna be nothing here, I feel like. What's up, Thomas? I don't think we're gonna get anything, bro. Price just pumped up. There was one setup that was valid, but this one would have been break even. Unless you got to fill all the way down here, then you wouldn't have been break even. But yeah, no, bro. We're at all-time highs here too, so we can't even look for shorts. We're gonna have nothing, dude. Starting the week off with no trade, W. Oh my gosh, yeah, we're probably gonna get nothing, dude. Hmm, bruh. Yeah, I guarantee you we're gonna get nothing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. Sorry I'm not saying anything, but this sucks, bro. It's just pumped for no like it had a reason to pump, but still. Kinda hoping for a pullback, but if we don't get a pullback, like here, I'll do full screen. If we don't get a pullback down to like here, then I wouldn't look for anything. Someone sent me something on Instagram. Bro, what do I like? What do I even talk to stream about, bro? Like, I want to keep you guys entertained. I want to keep people in here, but like, I don't have anything. Maybe look for BOS there. Look for setup to go short. No, I don't short it all the time as Thomas. Play some music. Alright, I got you guys. I'll play some music for now. Wait, I don't know if you guys could even hear it. Sources. No, I don't think you guys can hear it. No, I can't. You guys can't hear my screen. It only has trading view, which is the thing I'm screen sharing, and then my face cam. So even if I played music, you wouldn't be able to hear it. Because I'm only screen sharing trading view. I don't know, bro. Also, I know a lot of people would probably want to play their own music, so I wouldn't want to play it on stream. All right. But yeah, as of right now, we have nothing to really look at, bro. This just sucks. Why didn't you make the market give up a pullback after open, bro? I don't know, bro. It's my fault, dude. I should have given us a pullback, dude. Like after we like pumped up here, I should have made us leave equal highs, and then give us a pullback, resweep this low, and then get along. That's my fault. That's my fault, dude. I'm sorry, guys. Guys, blame it on me. Blame it on me. Blame it on me that we didn't get anything. You're good, but our real shit. That was my perfect model. Which one? Where was the model? There was a good model, but mechanically this long would have been break even. And then I like the 5 minute, but I was watching the 30-second chart, so I did not see the 5 minute. 5 minute would have been break even just at this next internal 5 minute here. So it wouldn't have been a break even trade. Okay. If we inverse this, that could be a good sign. You're good. In a 4 hour gap and I mean, New Week opening gap wasn't really there. There wasn't much of one. 15-minute SMT, 1 minute iFVG with CISD. Unfortunately, it was pre-market. Are you talking about the 30-second or the 5 minute? The 30-second would have been break even, mechanically, anyways. But the V ship was really good. And we did not close below the 1 minute, did we? Oh, we did. But we're still pumping up. Damn, dude. See, that's why you don't log at all time highs, by the way. One minute at 9:15. Oh no, that 30-second was the better one. That 1 minute was really small. 30-second was good, but the entry was here, and break even was literally right here at these equal highs. So it just would have been a break even, mechanically, anyways. But including the fact that we had a CISD there, this is V shape. Could have done a subjective break even, like after we got this big candle here. Or if you got a good fill, you could have gotten down here and you wouldn't have been break even. But yeah. Putting a new high. Probably just gonna do this all day. Unless the only time we would probably get something would probably be PM, to be honest. PM might pull back, but as of right now, dude, I think we're just gonna keep moving up. Blackout. I'm assuming the name is. Why don't you trade pre-market? Experienced with 30 seconds that much, so I'm not confident in it. I feel like the 30 seconds really, really good. Is my favorite time frame, to be honest. That and the 1 minute. New week opening gap, yeah. We're just gonna keep moving up all day. You guys are probably just gonna listen to me complain about how we're just moving up all day with no setups. I got like a big bug bite on my leg now, dude. What? Oh my gosh, dude, this is just annoying. What do we even do now? We just sit here all day watching this ESPA. Oh, they're just sitting in all-time highs, bro. Yeah, bro, we're gonna get nothing, dude. You guys can chill in here, and just sit with me if you want and watch price action. But if we go down to like 1 or 2 viewers, then I'll end stream. But we're just chilling here for now, just watching PA, seeing if we get anything. But I don't think we're gonna get anything. There's someone called Gatsby here in Argentina. What's Gatsby? I'm gonna look that up. What is that? This is a musical artist. A YouTuber? Hell nah, bro. Gatsby YouTuber. Hell no, I don't look like him, bro. What? Bro, he got dark hair. Didn't. I wish market didn't open straight to my deal. Oh, yeah, bro. That was 100% draw, dude. Look at that LRLR there, dude. Just beautiful. Sometimes my bias is right, but open will wake me out. Bro, how did I not see that before, dude? This blonde Gatsby Velada. Bro, it shows him. It shows him with brown hair, dude. I don't know if it's like really dark blonde, like a dirty blonde, but he looks he has brown hair. Yeah, that would be FOMO, dude. You'd be so mad at yourself if we were 10 points away and just like dumped and added to the trend line or something like that. Created equalize or something, you'd be so mad. So it's better that you didn't do that. I'll forward test this, but I'm not taking this. Just way too far in premium. Because if I take this, it won't work. If I watch it, it'll work. That's just how trading goes for me a lot of the time. But yeah, this is also like very, very, very far in premium. We're literally like 5 points away from all time highs. So longing here is kind of stupid. So pre-markup Asia levels between 7 and 3 a.m. No, 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. is London, and 8 p.m. to midnight is Asia. Okay, so put in an order block there, and we ran the all-time high again. But we're definitely not getting anything today. We'd have to see a crazy pullback. What's up, Snorlax? Would you say bro for the fact that we're gonna get nothing today? Yeah, that's what I was kind of hoping for too, but we're at all-time highs, so it seems like it's just gonna pump every time. You got Discord, bro? Yeah, I got the link in on the YouTube here. You can just join through there. But for me, it happened when I was far away. Yeah, the 5 minute was definitely the best here. We had the 30 second, but the 30 second had triple equal highs for like a break even. We closed like less than a point away. And then we had a 5 minute right here that was really good. But I was watching that 30 second. I didn't know we formed a 5 minute yet. I wasn't really paying attention to this time frame. But this one with break even right here. Let's see. Do we run the break even and then no? See, you wouldn't have gotten stopped the break even. Hit it here, then come back down. This 5 minute was the best. It would have been something like maybe like 60 points or 60 tick stop loss there. I would have so I would have had 16 cons because it'd have been micros. Half the cons closed, so half the cons closed here. The other half here with one runner left for all-time highs. I wouldn't have done all-time highs. I would have just done this London high here because we had like some LRLR here. I got down to the 1 minute, made some LRLR there. Probably would have just targeted the top of the LRLR, 4.4 for my runner. But yeah. Sucks, dude. Now we're just gonna do this all day, pretty much guaranteed. Have a chance of getting a pullback here if we seems like we're forming some LRLR here, but oh my gosh, dude. We're getting nothing for the rest of the day. Probably get off at like I don't know. Like 10:40 maybe. I'm so tired. Let's see. Let me fill my water. Sorry about my dogs. Yeah. But yeah, we're definitely getting nothing today, dude. Damn, bro. What was that wick from? Even the 15-second has it. 10-second has a good wick, too. 5-second has a wick. 2-second would have had a wick. That's insane, dude. Why? Where did that volume come from? I don't know around that. There must be something on financial juice. 6. Oh my gosh, bro. Yeah, I, know. I definitely don't think we're getting anything. We've just been sitting here. I'm gonna log out. I'm gonna log out of my account. Boom, logged out. Logged out of my account. I'm done. Not gonna take any FOMO trades. I'm gonna log off. See you tomorrow. All right, bro. All right, Lam. I'll see you later. So I'm logged out of my trading view, my Trade8. I'll log in with paper trading and just like mess around. Let's take this short on paper. If we get it. Just because there's LR here. All right. How much can I risk on here? Let's do settings. Reset account. 1 million. Okay, a $1 million balance. I'm gonna enter this with 10K. Let's see about this short. All right. All right, 20 contracts for 10K. Really? 20 contracts for 10K? All right, we'll see. Target will be the LRLR. So it would be literally take profit. Or I'll just do it like this. $20. Okay. All right, guys, we're gonna paper trade this. Why am I paper trade? Oh, we have a 2 minute. Oh, that 2 minute would be more important. But that one is more obvious. I would want the close on both, to be honest. We'll see. We're definitely not going to get any real trades today, guys. This is just paper. Okay, let me log into my Crunchyroll. At 10:30, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. All right, I'm back. All right, see you, Tom. All right, Snorlax, did you get off? Are you still on here? I'm glad we hit the 10 likes off rip on stream. Okay, the camera battery died. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera off. Just because it died. I'm gonna change the battery and I'll save it for the TikTok stream later. We're definitely gonna get no trades. I'm gonna be getting off here in like a minute. Plug in these camera batteries so they're ready for later. All right. So price took out Asia high, then took out London low, and Asia low, then midnight opening price. Yo, Thomas, Thomas, you're looking at it a little too complicated, bro. I'm gonna be honest, bro. Thomas, I'll explain exactly the way that you should look at it, bro. You're overcomplicating it. Like the only thing I look at London high, London low for is like good targets. 30-second long. It's pretty trash. Very high up. Anyways, if I go here, I'll show you. a little bit while you're complicating it too much. Asia low, doesn't really matter. London low, London high. I mean, they're good targets. Like you can use them as targets, but you don't need to like overcomplicate it like that, dude. For me, it was like, okay, we have a big low here. Even this one was good too. This is a big low, and it lines up with the gap. So we have this big low at this gap, right? That we swept. So we have a form of sell side liquidity here. Okay, we actually swept more. We swept this one that's inside the gap as well. So we swept this sell side. Okay, or not. Don't line it up. So we got a liquidity sweep, right? Holy crap, dude. Liquidity sweep, delivery off the hourly, formed this gap here, which at first was good, but we got no V shape above it. So this one wasn't good. This gap here was good, but we didn't get like a good V shape, or else it would have been really good. But then we got a new kind of manipulation leg here for an entry, which is good, but unfortunately it would have been break even. Now, personally, I saw we swept this low, and we were now delivering off of this gap here. We had a liquidity sweep delivery, and this 5 minute was very V-shaped. I mean, it's very V-shaped, so it would have been like what, like entry here. Wait, let me do like, can I do 3? Let me do 10 just for like, just to show you like how I would do it. So 10, target's gonna be the high of this LRLR. Like you literally just have to draw on liquidity. We have LRLR here. You go on the 1 minute, if my chart will load, and we have some nice LRLR here. So the LRLR is a good draw on liquidity, and we're delivering off of a gap. We're at all-time highs, and we just got an inverse. So that could be a good target for a potential like runner. If TradingView wants to work, it could be a potential target for a runner. Where's 1R? 1R is right here. And break even is at this next 5 minute gap here, right? So you just move break even if there's something against it. And now personally my break even would be this high. So now I would move stop to break even. We're not even at that gap yet, but we made a new high here. We just took out the new high. So I would move stop to break even there. And right here, 1R, I would close off 5 of them. So that's half of the position. And then where's 2R? 2R would be here. So now I've closed off half of my position. Okay, or just keep running, dude. Makes no sense as to why this doesn't work. So here we hit 2R, right? So now I'm going to close the other 4 and leave my runner for all the way up here at the top of the LRLR, right? And I'll show you how I manage this runner if my TradingView will work. Okay. Okay, so here with this big candle, I would definitely trail my break even to like definitely to at least 2R, so I at least get a full TP now. So right there, my break even's at least 2R. Now here, I would probably trail it more because this is what, a full TP of 10R. I would trail it to like what? I'll put it at 5R. Full TP still at that's like 10R. That'd been such a crazy like extra TP there, dude. And then boom. So that's how you should have looked at it, bro. Liquidity sweep, delivery. We're at a low. We're at all-time highs. We have LRLR. I mean, yeah, we have London high above too, but you're overcomplicating it. Doing like London low, London high, Asia low, like and then midnight, and then just previous day, doing all this stuff. Just look for the draw on liquidity. We have LRLR here. That's a good draw. We had some below as well, but we were delivering off this gap. We're at all-time highs, so this low doesn't have to be taken out. All-time highs is normally bullish. I mean, you saw the one I pointed out there. Yeah, we technically swept liquidity, which was all-time highs. But then the short failed. This one here, the short failed, and it's because we're at all-time highs. So that's why I said I didn't really care too much about the sell side LRLR be taken out, but the buy side LRLR would be good. The stop loss probably would have been a little bit bigger, probably like this. So like what, 6R for a full TP with the runner. Partial would have been like here somewhere, 2R. But yeah, managing it like that, targeting this LRLR. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and get off. Kind of did a little review at the end there. I might post that on TikTok, a little review of today's price action, like a thing, like on shorts or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and get off. No trades. Boring day. Price is still just pumping up. Not gonna get anything for the rest of the day, I guarantee you, unless it's in PM. We could get some lunch move back down and then a long in PM, but yeah. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. Thank you guys for joining up. We had a pretty good stream today, like size wise. We had a lot of people join up off rip, and then it kind of died down when price was bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and get off. Thank you guys for the support today.